William James said that the deepest principle in human nature is the craving to be appreciated. Let me share with you a really interesting story of a British politician who became the Prime Minister of Britain by employing this strategy. A lady named Jenny Jerome had dinner with the two contenders for the post of the British Prime Minister. By the way, Jenny Jerome wasn't an average woman. She was the mother of Winston Churchill. A reporter asked her about her impressions of the two contenders. Here is what Jenny said. She said, "When I left the dining room after sitting next to Gladstone, I thought he was the cleverest man in England. But when I sat next to Disraeli, I left feeling that I was the cleverest woman." Now, why was that the case? Well, while Gladstone was witty and smart and showed it off in the conversation, Disraeli asked her questions. He got to know her and made her feel important and special. And that is the reason why Benjamin Disraeli beat William Gladstone and became the British Prime Minister. You see, the desire to feel important is one of the most fundamental urges of human nature. Almost everyone considers themselves important. Very, 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 very important. And the surest way to a person's heart is to make them feel important in your presence. We've all heard about the golden rule. The golden rule says, do to others as you would have them do to you. So what do we all want? We all want recognition. We all want the feeling of importance in our world. We want the approval of those who come in contact with us. So given the golden rule, what should we do? Well, we need to give to others what we want the most, and that is recognition, importance, and approval.